Hey friends, come with me to the magical land of hide and seek. Do you see it? Well, there you go, folks. Wouldn't you like to be my neighbor? Thick grass again. Decided to come back over to this spot, see what I can do. Got me a nice high scratchy tone. Look at that one. Wow. I don't know whose that is. Hey y'all, come with me. What do you think that is? Wow, that was tiny. And I'm not going to go that side of the house because the tornado didn't go over there. So I start swinging, and guess what? I was wrong. Right there. What do we got? Oh, that's a Pandora charm there from one of her bracelets. Oh, sweet. And I know this is going to be a silver toe ring or something like that because Nelson found one like that the other day. Sure enough. I got a small coil on today and I'm going for the fine stuff. Here we go. All the way down in here. We got ourselves some bling. Oh, it's a charm. I think I know whose that is too. Seeming to find about everything but what I want to tonight. But something's better than nothing. I think that belongs to a different person. I think I know who that is. Picked up another little piece here underneath all this construction debris. What do we got? Oh, it looks like a little, some like Christmas pearl bow earring. Kind of neat. Rang me up a 70, which is usually like gonna be a zinc penny range, but it's not a zinc penny color. So let's see what this is. I'm really a unicorn. I have a little unicorn pixie dust today, which would be nice. I know who this belongs to. Family's got some kids.